Hello, all my lovely and adorable audience. Welcome back to my channel, Sapna Raghuvanshi. And I hope, guys, that you all are doing great in your life, just like me. And today, guys, I have reached my village at my home, and right now I am in my room. So I decided to make a video and to practice English. So first of all, I want to tell one thing, my dear friends, that it's been 1 year that exactly I have thought about English and to do something for English. And this is the place, like my bed, my room, where I exactly started doing something for my English. So firstly, what I did means I only just purchased a book, and in last summer vacation, it was summer vacation. So in that summer vacation, I just purchased book only, and I started reading that book. But literally and honestly, if I talk about result, so that time I didn't get any good result and response, but still I was satisfied that yes, finally I am just doing something for my English, and I have started something in English at least. So because I was always listening from others to read books, because reading is something that is going to give you fluency in English. So I started reading book, and but yes, guys, that time I was reading the book that was not my cup of tea, I can say. Reading that book was not my cup of tea, but still I was reading, and I was not getting any word, any point, and I was not able to speak English. I was not able to utter a single sentence from my mouth confidently, even though I was reading. So I want to tell you the thing, that what you should have to do in your initial day, as we all know very well. So guys, I was just showing you my room, because I have started my journey from here. Means in my previous summer vacation, the whole day I was spending my whole day only just sitting in my room and only just reading books. I was reading a lot, and honestly, if I talk, so I can say I was just overwhelming my mind, only nothing else I was doing. I was overwhelming my mind. I was reading, but I was not getting any point, and I was not while I was not able to speak English confidently, so I was just getting frustration a lot also. So but little by little, I have started doing something for my English in June, last June, in my summer vacation. But guys, I have been consistent, and I have been more serious about my practice ever since I have started my channel. So I can say that the last summer vacation was the starting point of my English journey, and opening my channel was the turning point of my learning English. So guys, as you can see that I am in my village, and you can see also the beautiful scene behind me, and that is my cow, and there's a lots of tree also. So I guys, I am daughter-in-law here, so I have to just wear pallu well on my head only. But guys, I'm just living here by wearing this pallu on my head. I'm not wearing well like this, because it's very awkward. It's feeling awkward to take bell. So finally, guys, I want to say one thing also. Actually, I wanted to come to my village the very first day when I got summer vacation. But that day, guys, please don't try to think something about the condition of my room, not room, my home. Because while I was not living here, so my mother-in-law, she hardly just cooked food for her and for my father-in-law. So she is not able to decorate the room, decorate the house, maintain the house very well. But as right now I have come here, so I will just manage everything very soon, means tomorrow You know guys, I also feel like to make video by wandering on the terrace. Like this is my terrace, you can see by on the terrace here and there, but you know, I can't do this because if I do this, so all the villagers just they will start saying about me like, oh my god, look at what she is doing by wandering on the roof like this. Okay, so but you know guys, if I talk about my family, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, so they are the best parent-in-law in this world. My father-in-law, my mother-in-law, they just love me a lot, and my all family, I can say, they just never force me to feel like to wear well. Or but you know guys, if I talk about English, so I have started my English from my home and from my village itself in my previous summer vacation. So you know, I also got lots of appreciation from my school members, like, yes, Sapna ma'am just decided to do something in previous summer vacation, so finally she had done the things that she decided. So I'm not telling all the things to appreciate myself in front of you guys. Actually, I'm telling all these things to get you motivated by hearing these words. Like, if I can do, so can you, because we all can do anything in our life as we want, but sometimes we are not able to do the things as we want, and we are not able to take a step to come out of our comfort zone. Why? Just because we are having the bad mentality only, that we are not good enough in anything, and we are also just thinking ourselves that we are good for nothing. So like this, still I'm facing some of my friends, they are having this type of mentality, that only if it come to do any work, so they are telling one thing only, that I don't know it, please just help me. So don't say like this, that I don't know. If you don't know, so please just give a try. If you try, so definitely you will get to know. It's no matter of anything. So if I talk about myself, I was also just having the same mentality earlier, but one of my friend from my previous school, and she is my best friend, so she always just when I was saying something like this, that no, this is not my cup of tea, I can't do this, so she always just scolded me, and she always just told me like, why you are thinking like this, why you are just always uh, taking yourself for granted. You are having everything inside you, you are having good quality, good knowledge of your subject, of your area, so why are you just not thinking about yourself, that you can do. So see, I can say she motivated me a lot, and but that time also I didn't take her word seriously. I took her word for granted. But when I realized personally, when I faced something in my life like this, that literally I got hurt inside, from inside. So I decided like to do something. Why I'm just not capable in this. If I want to speak English, and if English is so much important in nowadays scenario, so why should not learn the English language? If people are feeling confident, people are getting good valuable place after just having the knowledge of English communication skill, so I should also have this knowledge, I should also speak English, and uh, I should also get the right place in my life, no matter in my professional life, personal life, means anywhere. Nowadays, you know, guys, if we talk about English, so English is international language. It has become international language, so it's mandatory for each and every individual to learn this language, and to master this language, and not as a subject, but we are talking about as a language. So just speak, focus, we have to focus on speaking, not on learning. Okay, not on learning grammar. Sometimes we are also telling that we have to learn English language, so not learn, we have to speak English language. We should say like this, we have to speak English language. We are here for speaking purpose, and we are here to sound confident while speaking English. Okay, we are not going to write any novel in English, we are not going to Miss give any grammatical lecture in English. Okay, we are going to just speak, so we can speak easily. And right now, look, I'm just making this video randomly without any planning, without any preparation. But yes, I'm just speaking. So like this, you have to also speak. So in guys, I also just motivated lots of my friends that they should also make their self-talk video like this. So they also asked the genuine question, and I also just asked this genuine question to myself in my initial day, like what to talk to yourself. So in the same way, they were also just asking what to talk. So I said, okay, once just start talking to yourself, and once if you start, so automatically you will get lots of point, lots of topic. It will come one after one after another. Okay, so you don't need to bother yourself, you don't need to pressurize your mind, you need to only just open your mouth. So just open it. So now guys, you can see that I am coming downstairs, and today my home, it's not in good condition because my mother-in-law so you can see guys, she is my mother-in-law. And so guys, papa kahan ho? And guys, my father-in-law is not at home right now. He has gone somewhere in village. So I am just right now in my veranda. This is my veranda. So I'm just coming to my veranda easily while I was very new and new daughter-in-law. So that time I was just living only inside the house. I was not coming outside of my this main door. But now it's been uh, it's been 13 years ever since I got married. So I'm a little bit older. So I'm just allowed to come outside. And guys, one thing, if I talk about my perception, guys, my perspective, so I want to say one thing. So if you literally want to follow your culture and tradition, so you don't need to only wear well like this. Okay, you have to respect your elders, you have to serve your elders in your best possible way, your in-laws, and you have to take care of each and everyone. So if you are doing all this thing, so it means that you are a good daughter-in-law. No matter that you are only, if you are a good daughter-in-law, if you are wearing only well, and you are just I'm just living bindas in my village at my home, just because I'm not living bindas by myself. My family just allowed me to live like this because my village is also very smart village. All the daughter-in-law, I can say daughter-in-laws, means bahuein, they are just wearing suit inside their home, and they are living freely, and they all are just taking care of each and every responsibilities of their home, and also each and every member of their family. So this is good thing. Means everyone should have this perspective that we have to follow our tradition, our culture in greater way, and by respecting our elders, by giving them great value, great respect. So my dear and lovely audience, I think I should stop my video now, and I hope that you guys must be enjoying your English practice, and very soon I will just come back to another very beautiful topic for you. And also I will share the biggest obstacle in my English that I faced in my initial day. And today, I just let you know about the starting point and about the turning point in my English. As nowadays, I hope that you must be also seeing the good result and good improvement in my English. ever since I have started my journey. So, in the same way, my dear and lovely audience, you all can you all can improve yourself and your English without any hesitation, without any problem. And now guys, I'm gonna stop my video and I'm gonna just decorate and do some cleanliness here in my house. You can see the condition. There's a lots of potato. I have to just place it place them somewhere else. It is outside of my room. So my lovely audience, again I'm just going to my room. If I talk about this room, so I'm just saying that why this is the most beautiful place for me, just because guys, I have started my English journey by sitting on this bed and by reading books a lot. And I was just a whole day after cooking, after serving meals to all the family members. I just came to my room and I started reading. Sometimes I was reading a lot. I was not getting something, and my husband was just also that time scolding me a lot that just to stop it. If you read like this, so you will get mad. And you know guys, literally if I talk about that feeling, so I also sometimes realized that I was getting eyes irritation, I was getting headache, but still I was just reading. And I was also getting frustration, I was overwhelming my mind, but still I was reading. So like this you have to also do. But guys, that time, no one was there who can just guide me like this, as I'm here to guide you. If you are very beginner in your journey, so I'm just going to guide you that you don't do the same mistake as I did in my initial day. You just purchase any easy content book and then read only when you feel like to read. And don't read to overwhelm your mind. Read to get something. No matter that you have to read a lot, read little bit only, but try to incorporate, try to articulate those things in speaking. Don't focus on reading only, this is not enough. You have to focus on speaking along with all the practice. Means apart from your reading, apart from your listening, you have to focus more and more on your speaking. So you know guys, these all things, means these all problems and hurdles can't be attributed to relinquish over English. मीन्स ये सारी जो चीजें हैं, इस इन चीजों को, इन ऑब्स्टेकल्स को, प्रॉब्लम्स को आप जिम्मेदार नहीं ठहरा सकते। मीन्स इनको जिम्मेदार नहीं ठहराया जा सकता टू रिलिंक्विश ओवर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। मतलब इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में आप जो क्या कर रहे हो, रिलिंक्विश मतलब गिव अप कर रहे हो, हार मान रहे हो, तो वहां पे हार मानना, त्यागना, मीन्स छोड़ना, ये आप पे शोभा नहीं देता। सो इट डजंट बिफीट यू. You are very bold, you are determined, you are persevere. So just start your journey from today itself, and I will just come back very soon to motivate you a lot, my dear learners and beginners. So keep signing, keep smiling, keep learning English always like me. Bye bye, take care.